Hello YouTube. Today I'm on a service call. Pretty easy one here. This is a 2006 BMW 530xi. This is the E60 chassis. Anyway, today's job here is to replace the windshield wiper blades on the front. Not a hard job to do, but it can be a little tricky if you're not familiar with what you're doing here. So first thing I did, just to make it a little easier, I turned the wipers on and I shut the vehicle off with the wipers upright and more accessible. Second thing you want to do is lift it up off of the glass to give you some working room. You want to be really mindful about this wiper arm. Once you get the wiper off, you don't want this arm to just suddenly slap down on the glass and break it. Unfortunately, a lot of windshields get broken that way, so if you're not comfortable with what you're doing, you could put a towel or something thick so that in the event this comes down, it doesn't break the glass. So to get the old wiper off, there's some squeeze clips right here, one on either side. So you squeeze those, and then from there, push away from the arm, like so. Once it releases like that, you can remove it from the arm and gently set it back on the glass. So today, the product that we're using is the Bosch Aero Twin. There's the part number. I believe we got these from FCP Euro. As you can see here, it covers the E60 and 61s and E63 and E64s as well. Some information here, and the important bit is this. The driver's side blade is the longer of the two. So here are the two blades out of the packaging. The driver's side is the longer of the two. We'll go ahead and grab that one and place it back on the arm. So basically, reverse of how we removed it, we'll set this up in here so that this tab goes into the hole right there, and then slide it down. And you should hear a nice click. And go ahead and push down, like this, just to make sure that these locks are engaged. Put the wiper blade back down and repeat the process for the passenger side blade. So repeating the process for the passenger side blade, and here we go. So I went ahead and hit the washer fluid button and allowed the wipers to do their thing. They operated smoothly and quietly like we would expect out of a set of decent Bosch blades. And as you can see, that wasn't a very hard job at all. Anyway, if you like this video, please click the like button. And if you like to see more content like this, subscribe to my channel. Thanks, and have a good day.